Unraveling the phrase, pot of problems, an easy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, pot of problems. It's a phrase that might sound a bit strange at first, but it's quite expressive. In this video, we'll explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples. So, let's get started, and by the end, you'll be able to use pot of problems like a native speaker. Pot of problems is an idiomatic expression. This means it's a phrase where the meaning isn't immediately obvious from the words themselves. When we say something is a pot of problems, we are referring to a situation or an issue that contains many different problems or difficulties. It's like having a pot that is full of various problems, all mixed together. The origin of this phrase isn't clear-cut, but it's similar to other expressions in English that use containers to describe a collection of things, like a can of worms. Using pot of problems in conversation adds a colorful and expressive touch. It's especially useful in informal settings or storytelling. 1. When they opened the old warehouse, they found a pot of problems waiting for them. 2. Managing the new project is like handling a pot of problems. Every solution seems to create another issue. These examples show how the phrase can be used to vividly describe complex situations. While pot of problems is the phrase we're focusing on, English has other similar phrases like a can of worms or a Pandora's box. These all convey the idea of multiple problems arising from a single source or situation. That's all about the phrase, pot of problems. I hope this video has made it clear and easy to understand. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to sound more natural in English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use pot of problems in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!